Dumalang, it's your girl Chef Lebo. So today we're going to be learning actually how to properly hold a knife. Like abantu abaningi into engiyinoticile ukuthi bathanda ukusebenzisa ummese obuthuntu. Thinking that it's better than a sharp knife. Kanti it's all in your technique, how you hold your knife, how you use it. So all the tips and tricks, so let's get right into the video. Guys, you really want to start off with a very sharp knife, and then why a sharp knife will do less damage and is going to be a very clean cut if I'll follow a method, then it's gonna be a very clean cut. But if you're using a blunt knife, and then what happens is you are applying more pressure as you are cutting, because then I see and you create a very big injury, rather than if it was a very sharp knife, it was going to be just if it does happen, hoping that it does not happen, because you're about to learn tips and tricks. Okay, keep your knives sharp. There's even professional people who sharpen knives. You can contact them if or you can just watch a YouTube video. Alright? Okay, so we are going to lay it just like that on your counter. It's very slippery actually. So in a damp cloth, so it's less likely to slip. So now, okay, you can see, so I'm going to be using, this is a paring knife. It's very smaller, the blade is small as well as the handle. But normally you'd use a chef's knife, which is just a bit bigger, plus yindi food. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use my paring knife. And you take your two fingers like that, your pointing finger and your thumb, then you grip the handle. So it feels like an extension of you. I would say no. So the best way is just like that. Okay, so now we are going to mess over. Plus, now mess to another person, ubamba the top part, and then you give them the handle. So that now I might tata ubamba the handle. I go to bambuzo bambala. So when ubamba pezulu, nice clean. No one's getting hurt. Okay, that is going to be using a potato. So the first thing you want into oisigai ibe stable. This potato is just rolling around, so is sick. So in things so there's something called the claw method, and so just like this. Outside shops, then you put like a turandi, then it doesn't come with the teddy bear, and you're just like, why are you doing me like this, my turand? So we're using something similar to that, a claw. You can see. So my fingers are tucked underneath and uvela my knuckles. So ummese uzohamba straight on my knuckles. yeah, my fingers are nice and safe, and this also helps to hold the food that you're trying to cut. Yeah, like this, you're holding it like that. If something is very small, yeah, isandla siyancipha naso. You can see, guys, okay, my knife like that. I've got my claw method going, and ibhodi lami is not slipping. So I'm going to, let's do it that way. We're gonna just cut it in half, and then, so the first cut that we are going to do is called a baton, and a baton. So the way that I'm going to do this, you can see it's quite a thick piece. So as well, my claw method there, and then there you go. Then, so if you want uniform, you'll definitely have a lot of wastage. So the first thing I'm going to do, just trim there, then nice thick piece. See? So at first, usually it is a bit uncomfortable doing the claw method, but no man, my hand must be like this, you know. So there you go. It's thick. Yeah, so you have two little things there. Then elandelayo is called a batonette. So it's one size down from this. One size down from this. There you go. Remember isandla. There you go. Then so this would normally kuba ama-size ama-chips, yabona. Or mafuna ukwenza ama-veg sticks or like fruit sticks, you'd normally use the batonette. Then now we're gonna go for a julienne. So yabona, this is quite thin as well, so you're gonna go extra thin, very thin. So let's just do that. So here we have our julienne cut little potatoes. There you go. A baton. So from these cuts, we are going to be doing what we call a large dice. So it's just large. So you're just chopping this up into little cubes. Then you get your large dice. Then you get your medium dice. So this, like usually cuts in medium dice for anyaniso akho. So you do that, and from a julienne, we're going to get a cut called a brunoise. So you're going to cut this. There you go. So now we are going to do a cut called chiffonade. Or they call it an angel's hair. So we're gonna take uletisi. So this cut you'd normally use for garnish yako. So we're just gonna take the lettuce and gonna roll it into a cigar-like shape. So just roll it. We can see nice and tight. Get our knife, and you want thin strips. And emotion when you cut or when you're chopping anything is the rocking. We have the rocking. Let's show the rocking. So what I like about the rocking motion is that it ensures that you cut all the way through. Yeah. Okay, for our chiffon, you can see. So you get this long ribbons. Yeah, and this you normally use for garnish or abanye benza coleslaw with this type of cuts. Well, noma bengarulile kube isika, but nice thin slices. And guys, nita chopper i-button. Yes, or ngisenza i-carrot or lettuce wami ube chiffon. Okay, sis Lady in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ningakhohlwa ukulike, ni comment, ni subscribe. Oh my god, I'm gonna subscribe. It's your girl Chef Lebo signing out.